Hello friends, my name is Radha Masood. Today we shall discuss about a topic Mick Gilligrand's Human Motivational Theory of Two Factor. Friend, today's topic is very important, very interesting with respect to project management, especially if you are a student of project management and you are planning to give exam of PMP. So this is an important topic and you will see this topic in the exam of PMP as well. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start, friend. Mick Human Theory of Two Factor. What does that theory says actually? First of all, friend, this is a theory of motivation actually. Motivation means that whoever is working in any organization and working somewhere, anywhere, so the what are those factors which force you to work for something? Like for example, in the morning you wake up. So what are the factors due to which you are motivated? Due to that reason you are going to office, you are working, you are giving your output. So what are those reason actually? So Mick actually he has given a theory of motivation, and he says that basically he says that basically there are two factors. One factor is the hygiene factor, and one factor is the motivational factor. Motivation factor means that these are those factors due to which your motivation will increase, like your satisfaction level will increase. Okay, so this is the motivation factor. The other factor is the hygiene factor. Hygiene factor means that these are those factors which basically doesn't improve your increase your satisfaction, but if those factors are not available, so your satisfaction level will decrease. For example, if you talk about motivation, so if you are getting the appraisals, if you are getting the appreciation from the company, so it will increase your confidence level, it will increase your motivation. This is the motivational factor. The other one is the hygiene factor. For example, if you are working in any organization where the sitting arrangement is not properly available, like for example the air conditioners are not working, the seating mechanism or sitting arrangement is not good, so it will not increase your motivation, but due to the hygiene factors it will decrease your motivation level, it will decrease your satisfaction level. So this is the concept of the two factor means one factor is motivation, like if you are getting the proper appreciation, you are getting the motivational factors, motivation from the company, it will increase your satisfaction level. The other factor is the hygiene factor. Hygiene means that if any proper arrangements are not there, so it will increase, it will if it will not increase your satisfaction level, it will decrease your satisfaction, it will decrease your satisfaction level. Here friend, for example, the achievement, for example, what are those factors which will increase your motivation? For example, you are achieving something. Achievement means, friend, like for example you are completing any project on time, you have successfully completed a very difficult project on time, okay, and you accomplish any challenging goal, so it's a sense of achievement, it will increase your motivation. Affiliation means want to belong to a group. For example, you want to work for any particular technology and you got an opportunity to work in that particular technology, so obviously it will increase your motivation factor. Why? Because any particular technology you are thinking that you want to work, and you get an idea, you get an opportunity to work in that particular technology, so it will increase your affiliation and power means, friend, for you want to control and influence others. For example, if you get an opportunity to become a head of department, you get an opportunity to become a team lead, so it will increase your satisfaction level, it will increase your motivational level again. So these are the motivation level. The other reasons was the hygiene factor. Hygiene factor means, like for example, sitting arrangement is not available, air conditioners are not working, for example bathrooms are not clean. So these are the factors which, due to lacking of those factors, it will decrease your satisfaction, it will not the availability of those factors will not increase your satisfaction level, but unavailability of those factors will decrease your satisfaction level. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video, and thank you.